Good evening, everyone. Finally, some signs of life in Nifty today. So, Nifty, went up 0.85% today, which is quite good. And all the major indices, be it Nifty Bank, be it Nifty Mid Cap, Small Cap, Nifty IT, Pharma, FMCG, everybody supported Nifty in a very tremendous way. In fact, Nifty Metals went up 3.96%, which is almost like 4%. Quite significant, and this rebound was long overdue. As you know, as you can see on this chart, we have been falling for last 8-9 sessions, and I think we were done with this, right? The trend of falling. Okay, so let's start the analysis with the 15-minute chart first. So we opened the day with quite a good gap up, and the progression continued. Nifty took support at exactly the way where we had predicted a few days ago. We had drawn this trend line at 17,350 quite a few days ago, and Nifty took a good support over that. And our next resistance point, which was at 17,450, was also crossed, and Nifty took a support over there also, right? So we hope that we can take a stand that Nifty would take support at 450 and keep moving forward. Despite that, this looks like a short term really, but this logic can stand its ground. On an hourly chart, it becomes even more prominent. These details even become even more prominent. You can see that this trend line was violated, and after that violation, the trend reversal was well supported by the hourly candles, right, which were mostly green, and higher highs and higher lows all supported the growth. And again, 450, this is the support point that Nifty took, right? Coming to a daily chart, on a daily chart, the supports that we are talking about, right, this trend line was violated. There was a upward movement, right? Now the Nifty traded between 17,350 and 450 for the complete day, and it is already taking a support at 17,450. So what is its movement going to be next, right? If it decides, when there's such a bear run, right, and a bullish uptick comes in between, the trend might not be very long lived, right? Even the trend mostly has been downwards, right, from starting from December itself. The trend has been downward. The primary trend has been downward. Now it's almost 3 months are done, right? So we can say the primary trend is downwards, right? Expect this green candle, expect this bullishness or this pullback only for some time. It is not a trend that can sustain until and unless we are somewhere above this line, which is 17,950, right? So if you want to close some positions, if you want to get out of some position, this might be a good time, right? Or if you have good patience, great patience, then you can wait for your Nifty to cross this line at 17,950. So what do we expect Nifty to do tomorrow is, if it decides to go up, 17,450 would continue to act as a support, and their next resistance that coming up will be 17,700, which is too far away, right? So our next resistance, if we were to discuss, we were to find okay, I can't find much of resistance coming in between. So 17, this zone, if it decides to stay above 17,450, then this is a pretty good there's pretty good chance that it will rise up to 17,700 as well. If the Nifty decides to go below 17,450, given that all the pressures that all the indications that are coming from the global market, there's always a chance that we can decide to come down. Then we will again trade between 17,450 and 17,350. This is our range, and 17,450 is a key barrier, and tomorrow's action will decide if it acts as a barrier or as a resistance band or a support band. Alright, thank you for watching this video.